Hey guys, welcome back to Behind Closed Doors. Come along with me today as I prepare the space for Thanksgiving. So, let's get it. Hey guys, on this first clip, you will see me cleaning and building the first piece to my tablescape, which is the centerpiece. When you're creating a tablescape, the first piece you want to begin with is your centerpiece, and then you build from there. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Okay, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the tablescape. Now on to the mantle. This year, I used a lot of elements from around my home on the outside, and I brought those elements indoors. So in this clip, you will see me preparing the mantle, building the mantle layer by layer with natural elements outside of my home, which is the greenery, the leaves, the pines, okay guys? And I also purchased some other elements to add to the mantle as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the mantle reveal. Okay guys, the first thing I did was lay down my bed of leaves. And these leaves come from outside. Like I told you guys last year, use what you got, honey. Use what you got, because they want an arm and a leg in Hobby Lobby, in Joann's Fabrics, and Home Depot, wherever you go, for the fake tree branches, leaves, whatever. They want a lot of money. So I usually get mine from my backyard. These are going to last until Thanksgiving, okay? They do well through the winter and through the summer. Don't ask me what they are, I don't know, but they did good last year, so I'm using them again this year. Last year, I sprayed some silver. This year, and then I think for Christmas I just had green, and for Thanksgiving I painted them, spray painted them silver. But this year I'm gonna do the green for Thanksgiving, okay guys? So let me put the next layer on. Layering. I hope you enjoyed the reveal of the tablescape and the mantle. And I hope I was able to offer you some creative ideas in which you can bring into your home. So now we're gonna end with the full reveal of the space. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving, and may it bring you all that your family hope and wish for. Until then, bye.